Hi, I'm Mike with RIVA, and today we're going to go over how to upgrade your audio system on your Sea-Doo watercraft. It's common knowledge the factory audio system on Sea-Doo watercraft leaves a lot to be desired. The amp puts out enough power, it's just the speakers themselves that are holding things back. That's why we work with Wet Sounds, and utilizing their 06 speakers, we made a specialized adapter ring so that you can plug and play and directly replace the speakers. Swapping out the speakers with our audio upgrade kit is super easy. All you do is remove the factory bezel by putting a tool in, depressing, and it pops right off. After you remove the bezel, you'll remove the 6 T20 Torx screws using a Torx bit. Remove the speaker by pulling it straight out and then carefully rotating it over to expose the connector. Depress the lock, unplug the speaker, and remove the rest of the way. Next, install the supplied adapter rings. It's marked at the top which side goes on which. This says RH top, so it's his right-hand side. Place the ring into the pod. Use the factory Torx screw with a little bit of blue Loctite to secure it. Tighten it down, but don't over tighten it. Next, apply a little bit of dielectric grease to the top of the factory connector. Then install a supplied adapter harness so that the black connector goes into the black factory connector. Then apply the same dielectric grease to the top of the wire harness connector. Take the connector and plug it directly into the speaker. Then, on the speaker itself, apply dielectric grease to the 2 tabs. Now, drop the speaker into the pod, aligning the holes in the speakers with the threaded inserts in the adapter ring. Using the supplied screws and a little bit of blue Loctite, secure the speaker to the ring. Tighten it down, but don't over tighten it. It's important when you install supplied grills onto the speakers that you identify the location of the locking tabs on the speaker and the locking tabs on the grill. Install the locking tab on the grill between the locking tabs and the speakers, and then rotate to lock. The RIVA Wet Sounds audio upgrade kit for Sea-Doo watercraft is an easy installation, and it looks incredible and sounds incredible. For more information, visit rivaracing.com.